You can make videos like this using AI. I'll show you how to do it. But first, watch some clips before we get started. AI video tools are moving faster than ever, and 2025 is the year they finally went from cool experiment to full-blown production quality. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the most advanced AI video generators right now, Kling AI. We'll go deep into how Kling is changing the game, why it's better than other AI tools like Pika or Runway, and finally, I'll show you exactly how to buy Kling AI's premium plan, step by step. So if you've been thinking about upgrading, stay till the end. You'll see why it's 100% worth it. Part 1. How AI is rapidly changing. Let's start with something bigger than just one tool. Think about where we were only 2 years ago. AI could barely generate a face correctly. Now we're at a stage where AI can make entire cinematic videos from text prompts. Tools like ChatGPT, Runway, Pika, and now Kling AI are reshaping how creators work. You no longer need actors, cameras, or expensive editing software. All you need is your imagination. AI has become your director, editor, and animator, all at once. It's not about replacing humans, it's about helping creators build faster and dream bigger. The creators who understand this early, those who learn to use AI right now, are going to lead the next generation of YouTube, filmmaking, and storytelling. Part 2. What makes Kling AI so powerful? Now, let's talk about the tool that's taking everyone by surprise. Kling AI. Kling isn't just another text-to-video generator. It's built with a multimodal engine, meaning it understands text, image, and motion together. It can generate smooth, realistic camera movements, human-like motion, and cinematic lighting that looks like something from a Hollywood trailer. Imagine typing a single line. A man walking in the rain holding an umbrella. Cinematic lighting, slow motion. And Kling instantly generates it with perfect motion and weather effects. No editing, no compositing, just AI magic. The realism of Kling's motion is far ahead of most competitors right now. It captures depth, shadow, and physical movement like no other AI. If you've seen those viral short films made with Kling, you already know. It's the closest thing to an AI movie studio. Part 3. Why creators love Kling AI. Kling is not just for filmmakers. It's also perfect for YouTubers, marketers, and story creators. You can use it to make story intros or cinematic B-rolls for your videos. You can make full storytelling videos without shooting a single scene. You can even use it for advertisements, trailers, or product demos. And the best part? Kling AI is consistent. When you generate multiple clips, it remembers character details, environment style, and camera tone. That consistency is what makes your final video look professional, not random. I've tried Runway, Pika, and Veo, and while they're great, Kling just feels one step ahead. The skin tones, lighting, and scene transitions feel natural. You don't get that uncanny AI look anymore. Part 4. Why the premium plan is worth it. Now here's the thing. The free version of Kling is fun to play with, but it's limited. You'll notice watermarks, lower quality, slow rendering, and restricted access to the latest model updates. When you switch to Kling Premium, you unlock 4K video generation, no watermark, faster rendering up to 5 times faster, access to the newest AI models, commercial use rights, early access to experimental features. So if you're serious about AI filmmaking or content creation, upgrading to premium is the real game changer. Most creators who go premium say it's like upgrading from a normal PC to a gaming beast. Same tool, but a completely different experience. Part 5. Real use cases and how people are using Kling Premium. Now, before I show you how to actually buy Kling Premium, let me show you why it's becoming one of the most powerful tools in the creator economy right now. Because Kling isn't just another fancy AI. It's a complete production studio in your browser. I've seen creators using Kling AI in so many smart ways, it's honestly insane. Let me give you a few examples. Example 1. YouTubers and story creators. Some YouTubers use Kling to make short story videos, full cinematic clips that look like mini movies. They write their script, generate each scene in Kling, edit them together, and boom, a 3-minute AI film ready for upload. And guess what? Many of these channels are already getting millions of views just from AI-generated visuals. Example 2. Marketers and businesses. Small businesses are using Kling to make ads without hiring a crew. Imagine being able to type, "A luxury car driving through rain at night, cinematic lighting," and Kling instantly makes your ad. No actor, no camera, no editor, just imagination and text. That's how companies are saving thousands while still producing high-quality visuals. Example 3. Music artists and game devs. Even musicians are using Kling to generate music videos that match their songs. They describe the emotion, like a girl standing under neon lights, slow motion, futuristic city. And Kling creates a full scene synced to the music. Game developers are also using it to visualize storyboards and trailers before the actual game is built. That means faster production and creative freedom without big budgets. Example 4. Freelancers and agencies. And here's the best part. Freelancers are using Kling to make money. They offer AI video creation services on Fiverr and Upwork, and they deliver short clips using Kling Premium. Because the videos look so cinematic, clients are willing to pay top dollar, sometimes $50 to $200 for a 20-second clip. So yes, people are not only creating, they're earning using this tool. And all of that is only possible when you unlock Kling's premium version. The free plan just can't handle that level of quality and render power. That's why, before I show you the step-by-step buying guide, I wanted you to understand what's possible when you go premium. Because once you see the results yourself, trust me, you'll never look back. Part 6. Step by step. How to buy Kling AI Premium. Alright, now let's go step by step through how to buy Kling AI Premium. Step 1. Go to klingai.com or search Kling AI official website on Google. Step 2. Click on Login/Sign Up. You can sign in using your Gmail or any email account. Step 3. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top right corner. Click Upgrade or Premium Plans. Step 4. Now you'll see all the available plans. Usually there are monthly and annual options. Choose one that fits your usage. If you're planning to create a lot of videos, go for the yearly one. It's cheaper in the long run. Step 5. Click Buy Now or Subscribe, and you'll be redirected to the payment page. Kling supports credit/debit cards and sometimes PayPal depending on your country. Step 6. Once payment is complete, you'll immediately see your account upgraded to Premium. No waiting. Now you can create 4K videos, render faster, and use the latest features without any restriction. And if you ever face issues with payment, you can contact Kling's support team directly through the chat icon. They usually reply within a few hours. Part 7. Final Thoughts. So, to wrap this up, AI is evolving faster than ever. And Kling AI is one of the biggest leaps we've seen in the video space. It's no longer just about testing prompts. It's about creating real cinematic scenes that look and feel professional. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, make story videos, or explore AI filmmaking, investing in Kling Premium is totally worth it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment AI Revolution 2025 below, so I know you're part of the next-gen creator community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.